How to clear woods for lawn installation or grass installation. Clearing out a heavily wooded area and replacing it with turf can seem like a daunting task, but several helpful tools can make the clearing process easier. You will need to choose tools that suit the density of brush or trees in the area. Once you have chosen the correct tools for your situation, you will be able to clear the woods efficiently and prepare the area for turf installation. Things you will need: brush clearing tool, chainsaw, shovel, garden spade, axe, herbicide, rototiller, soil amendments, hard metal rake. Clear away heavy brush or high grass using a brush clearing tool. A machete or a similarly bladed tool will work best for soft green brush. If you have heavy or thick brush, use a handsaw or chainsaw. Use a chainsaw to cut down larger trees. Cut each fallen tree into pieces and remove them from the area. Remove each tree or shrub stump by digging around it with a shovel or heavy garden spade. Use an axe to cut away roots as you encounter them. When you have cut most of the roots, pull the stump out of the ground and backfill new soil into the hole. Spray the area with a brush-killing herbicide. Follow the product's mixing instructions carefully. Apply the spray evenly while taking care not to spray any surrounding plants you want to keep. Rototill the soil or turn it over with your shovel to a depth of 4 to 6 inches, approximately 100 to 150 millimeters. If you encounter any plant roots that you missed when you were clearing the area, remove them. If you have poor topsoil, or if your soil is very sandy or has a high clay content, consider adding soil amendments or new topsoil now. Add granulated lime to the area if you have acidic soil pH below 6.0. Bring the soil pH toward neutral so that the new turf will start properly. Mix the granulated lime into the soil using your metal rake and shovel. Flatten the area with your metal rake and shovel. Make the ground as level as possible to avoid any seed drift or unequal moisture distribution. After the area is level, prepare a firm top surface for planting. Tips warnings. When selecting a herbicide, choose a spray that stops working when it encounters the ground so that it does not affect future plantings. You can add a lawn starter fertilizer to the soil when you are turning it to help your new turf establish. Have your soil's pH level tested at a local garden center or cooperative extension, or do it yourself with a home kit. Wear gloves, eye protection and long pants and sleeves when you are doing clearing work to avoid ticks, poison ivy and poison sumac.